Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest Forex updates and market forecasts, tailored just for you. Today is December 18, 2024, and we're diving deep into the latest moves in the currency markets and what you can expect heading into the next workday. Stick around as we analyze key trends, dissect market movers, and provide actionable insights to help you navigate the Forex landscape. Let's start with a quick rundown of what unfolded in the Forex market today. The US dollar index, DXY, experienced mixed movements today. Early in the session, the dollar showed strength following hawkish comments from Federal Reserve officials, signaling that interest rates might remain elevated well into next year. However, by midday, the greenback eased against several majors as weaker-than-expected retail sales data was released, raising concerns about consumer spending during the holiday season. The euro gained traction against the dollar, closing near 1.0860. The uptick came after better-than-expected PMI data out of Germany, which calmed fears of an economic slowdown in the eurozone. However, traders remain cautious as the European Central Bank has hinted at potential rate adjustments early next year. The British pound struggled today, hovering around 1.2380. Inflation data out of the UK came in slightly below forecasts, which dampened expectations of further rate hikes from the Bank of England. The yen weakened to 149.70 against the dollar, with the Bank of Japan reiterating its dovish stance. Speculation about potential intervention is growing, but for now, the yen remains under pressure. Commodity-linked currencies like the Aussie and Kiwi dollar had a rough day. Lower-than-expected demand for commodities from China weighed heavily, keeping both currencies near multi-week lows. As we prepare for the next trading session, here are the key factors you need to keep an eye on. The release of the Fed's latest meeting minutes is scheduled for tomorrow. Traders will be dissecting the document for clues on how policymakers view inflation trends and economic growth. Christine Lagarde is set to speak at an economic forum tomorrow. Any hints about future rate policies could impact the euro significantly, especially as markets weigh the odds of additional rate hikes in early 2025. Japan's inflation data for November will be released overnight. A surprise uptick could lead to speculation about a shift in the BOJ's stance, which could provide support for the yen. Weekly unemployment data from the US is another critical factor. A lower-than-expected number could support the dollar, while a higher figure might weigh on it. China will release industrial production and retail sales numbers. Weak data here could further impact risk sentiment and weigh on commodity-linked currencies like the Aussie and Kiwi. Let's dive into some charts to identify key levels and trends for major currency pairs. Support is holding firm at 1.0800, while resistance lies around 1.0900. A breakout above 1.0900 could see the euro testing 1.0950. On the downside, watch for a break below 1.0800, which could open the door to 1.0750. The pair is trading within a descending channel. Immediate support is at 1.2350, with resistance at 1.2430. Momentum indicators suggest a bearish bias, but a stronger-than-expected UK retail sales report could change that. Key resistance is at 150.00, while support is at 148.50. The yen's weakness remains a theme, but any intervention chatter could cause sharp reversals. The Aussie is testing support near 0.6300. Resistance is at 0.6380. Bearish momentum is strong, but oversold conditions could lead to a temporary bounce. As we move into the next trading session, here's what we anticipate based on today's developments. The dollar could face headwinds if the Fed minutes show growing concerns about economic growth. However, stronger jobless claims data might limit any downside. Expect the euro to remain sensitive to any ECB policy hints. A bullish breakout above 1.0900 could set the stage for further gains. The pound may continue to struggle, especially if tomorrow's retail sales data disappoints. On the flip side, a strong reading could provide some relief. Volatility is likely to persist around the yen, especially if Japanese CPI data surprises to the upside. The Aussie and Kiwi could remain under pressure unless we see a significant improvement in China's economic data. With several high-impact events on the calendar, make sure to align your trades with key economic data. Pay attention to major support and resistance levels. Breakouts often signal strong momentum shifts. Given the potential for increased volatility, tighten your stops and manage position sizes carefully. Keep an eye on news feeds for any unexpected developments that could shift market sentiment. That's all for today's Forex market update and forecast. December 18, 2024, has been an eventful day, and the next session promises to bring even more opportunities for savvy traders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which currency pairs you're watching closely and what strategies you're using to navigate the market. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!